Hello and welcome to Dreamy Do It Educator. So today we are going to discuss about the northern part of our country, the important mapping locations which are important for UPSC, SSC and many other examinations. We are going to discuss it. So first of all, we will be coming from Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh part. Okay. So all these green are important sites of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. Okay, in that when we say about national parks, there is only one national park that is in Ladakh, that is Himachal National Park. Then Jammu Kashmir, there are Tajika, Verinag, Kashmiri Stag, etc. Certain other national parks like Pistowa National Park, etc. are there. Okay, so we will see one by one all these national parks. Okay, so okay, this is a Bula Lake, which is a Ramsar site. Okay, this is a Ramsar site. One must remember about that. Next one, Hoxer wetland. So near Bula Lake itself, Hoxer wetland is there. It is also a Ramsar site. Near to both of this, there is Tajika National Park in Jammu Kashmir. Okay, it's Tajika National Park in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, now Kashmiri stag is a state animal of Jammu. So it is a critical endangered animal and it is found in Tajika National Park. So when I said about different national parks earlier, I told about Kashmiri stag also. I'm extremely sorry for that. It is an animal. It is not a national park. Okay. So this we have studied. Now Verinag National Park is there below Dachigam itself. Okay, you can see the map also here. So it's the location we must understand. Okay, so this is Verinag National Park location. Now then we have Pistowa National Park. Okay, it's Pistowa National Park. Okay, location I think you have understood. Now we have two other important. One is Mansar Lake is here. Mansar Lake. Okay, this Mansar Lake, and near to that itself we have Suninsar Lake. So Mansar Lake and Suninsar Lake we have in this region and both of these are Ramsar sites. We must understand that. Okay, now we will go to this. Okay, this we have studied. Kishtawa National Park we have studied. Now here Hemis National Park is there. Okay, Hemis Hayal National Park is there, and this Hemis Hayal National Park is in Ladakh. Okay, is in Ladakh, that we must understand. Okay, now So Morari in Ladakh also is there, and the So Morari is also a Ramsar site. So we have mainly 5 Ramsar sites here: Bula Lake, Hokesar, then Surinsar, Mansar, So Morari are there, and we have other national parks. So I hope everything is clear. You can watch the video one more time if you want more clarity regarding that. Okay, now we will go to our next important place. Okay, next we are going to Himachal Pradesh. We will see about Himachal Pradesh. All these love symbolizes in this northern part. All these are present in Himachal Pradesh only. So in the leftmost side we have Maharana Pratap Sagar is there. So it is also near Pong Lake. Okay, Pong Lake, and this Pong Lake is a Ramsar site. Similarly, the Maharana Pratap Sagar is also Ramsar. So you can see the images, also very beautiful images are all there. Okay, you can see that also here. Next we will be dealing with all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these 5 things. That is, one is Interkilla National Park is there. Okay, Interkilla National Park is there. Then we have Chandra Tal is there. Okay, Chandra Tal is a Ramsar site. Actually, see this region, if you see in the map itself, it is in the snowy area, that is in the mountainous region. Okay, so all this picture also we can see these mountains like Himalayas, you can see. So we have seen Interkila National Park, then we went up some ahead, then Chandratal, Ramsar site we have seen, then we can see here the Great Himalayan National Park is here. The Great Himalayan National Park is here. Okay. Now we can see another Khir Ganga National Park. All are in the similar location only. Okay. Khir Ganga, and then Pin Valley National Park. All these national parks we can see here. Okay. So that we studied. So left one, Pong Lake or Maharana Pratap Sagar we studied, and all these 5 important locations we have studied. All are from Himachal Pradesh. Now we have 3 more locations to study. So here is Cold Desert National Park. Okay. Cold Desert National Park we can see, and it's actually not just a national park, it's a biosphere reserve. Okay, it has not been included in man and biosphere program. Such a biosphere reserve is called as a biosphere reserve, and this biosphere reserve's location we have found just now. Okay, now one more thing we must I have to say is that Himalayan National Park we have seen. Okay, though this it is in the Kulu district, and this Great Himalayan National Park is also World Heritage Site. Okay, and all type of vegetation is found in Great Himalayan National Park. It's also an important. So World Heritage Site, it's a World Heritage Site. Don't okay, so this Kulu, this is the Great Himalayan National Park, and this is a World Heritage Site also. Okay, that we must understand. Then we are continuing our journey. So this is Renuka Lake. Okay, this Renuka Lake is again as you just got, it is as you thought, it is a Ramsar site only. Okay. Now Kalesar National Park is another important national park we can see here. So hence we have completed all the important sites that are present in the Himachal Pradesh. Okay, so we have finished Himachal Pradesh. Now we will come a bit down to Uttarakhand. Okay, in Uttarakhand, the border of Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh itself, we have Govind Pashu Vihar National Park and sanctuaries there. Okay, that's an important. Then again, all these are in the border region. Okay, Gangotri National Park is here in the almost the border region. Then we have Nanda Devi National Park. It is also in the border region. Then we have Valley of Flowers, all in the same line only. Nanda Devi, this Valley of Flowers, and this Gangotri all in the same line only. In the border region, we can study Govind Pashu Vihar National Park and sanctuary we can see. And when it comes to down, then we have Rajari National Park, the down part, the southern part. You can see the good images also. See. Okay. Then Jim Corbett National Park is also in Uttarakhand. So Jim Corbett is in Uttarakhand. Then Dajaji National Park is in Uttarakhand. Then we have also studied other important like Valley of Flowers and many other. We have studied Govind Pashu Vihar is there, and so we studied different national parks that are present in Uttarakhand. Okay. And then one more thing is that this Rajaji and Jim Corbett National Parks, both these national parks are tiger reserves also. One must understand this as well. Okay, one must understand this as well. Then one another thing we must study is biosphere reserve. Nanda Devi is a biosphere reserve as well as it's a World Heritage Site also. It is listed in 1988. Then one mic site is there in this Uttarakhand, that is Shivalik. Okay, so that also we have to understand. Okay, so hence we have done Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. Then Uttarakhand we studied. Now we are going to study Punjab and Haryana. Okay, Punjab and Haryana. So in the Punjab, all the important things are on the northern side. Okay, the northern side, like 4 important things are on the northern side. Okay, one is Nangal is saying Nangal Reserve. This Nangal Road only I could see, but Nangal Reserve is there. That is important. Okay, it's a that we must understand. It's a Nangal Reserve is there. Then we have Kanjili Wetlands is there. Okay, Kanjili Wetlands is in Punjab. Kanjili Wetlands we have some ducks also we can see. This Kanjili Wetland is in Kanjili wetland is a Ramsar site that is present in Punjab. Then we have Harike wetland that is also in Punjab. Okay, Harike wetland is in Punjab. Then we have Bias Convention Center is there. Okay, Bias Conservation, not convention, Bias Conservation Reserve is there. Okay, Bias Conservation. And Punjab, there's an important thing about Punjab is that there are no important national parks are there. Okay, no important national parks are there. Roper wetland is also there. Okay, Roper wetland is somewhat to the right of the Punjab region. Okay, so Roper wetland is also there. This Roper wetland is also a Ramsar. So there are 6 Ramsars either Kanchiri, Harige, Roper, Keshav, Bias, Nangal Reserve is there. Okay, then one Keshavpur Miani is there also. Okay, that is not present in the map. I have not shown the map, I hope so. So it is also there in the Punjab only. Okay, that we must understand. Now when we come to Haryana, this Haryana, there are importantly mainly about 2 important things we must that is Bindavas Wildlife Sanctuary is there. Okay, Bindavas Wildlife Sanctuary is there. It's a wetland also. Okay, it's a wetland. This Bindavas Wildlife Sanctuary is a wetland, or it is also a Ramsar site that has been recently adopted. Okay, it is a recently adopted Ramsar site. We must understand that it is very important. This Bindavas is very important. Okay, for at least this prelims, next prelims, etc. Some 2 to 3 years from now, this Bindavas is very important. It present in Haryana, one must understand. Okay, then we have Sultanpur National Park. The Sultanpur is a national park, and also it is also a wetland also. Okay, Sultanpur also is a recently added wetland, or it is also a national park that is present in Haryana. We must understand that. Now we have one in the border. One in the border between this Haryana, that is Kalesa National Park also. So this Kalesa National Park is also important to understand, is also present in Haryana. So hence we have completed Haryana also. Now there is only very less we have, it's remaining in the northern part. That is one is Delhi and another is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is between Punjab and Haryana. You can see Chandigarh here. See, this is Chandigarh, you can see. So the capital complex tourist center in Chandigarh is a World Heritage Site that we must understand. That's the most important thing. Then in Delhi there are mainly 3 important things, 3 World Heritage Sites that we must understand. I'm just saying it. I haven't. We cannot map it in Delhi because it is in the Delhi itself. So it's in Humayun Tomb, then Qutub Minar, then Red Fort. The Humayun Tomb and Qutub Minar. Okay. In 1993, World Heritage Site status was given. Okay, so, and also Red Fort is also there. So hence we have completed these complete things in the northern part. Okay, in the northern part we have completed important map location. In the northern part we have completed. So just see the video. You can revise it, re-revise it. You can visit it often, and hence the things will stick in your memory. So if you like the video, you can give a like button. You can press like button. You can comment this video if some you can comment about anything, like if some suggestions are there, if it's good, anything you can comment. Then you can share with your friends if you think it will be beneficial to them also. So hence I am winding up this. Okay, so see you in the next video soon. Thank you.